In this video, I'll break down the top 5 home theater projectors, which home theater projector I found to be the best. I'll go in descending order, starting with the 5th ranked pick, and at the end of the video, you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best home theater projector and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each of the products, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. At number 5, we have the LG CineBeam PF510Q. This is our 5th ranked pick, but is still a great choice for those on a budget. It stands out for its compact size and versatility, making it an excellent choice for creating a home theater experience. It delivers full HD resolution with a 4-channel RGB LED light source, offering vibrant colors and sharp images. The light source is rated for an impressive 30,000 hours of use, ensuring long-term reliability. With a brightness of 450 lumens, it performs best in dark environments, providing rich detail and smooth motion for movies and gaming. This projector supports screen sizes from 30 to 120 inches, making it adaptable for small or large spaces. Its built-in WebOS 22 platform provides access to popular streaming apps like Disney+, YouTube, and Apple TV. Wireless features such as AirPlay 2 and Bluetooth enhance connectivity, while automatic vertical keystone correction ensures a distortion-free image. The PF510Q's portability and user-friendly features make it ideal for casual viewing and gaming. At number 4, we have the Optoma HD146X. The HD146X stands out for its bright 3600 lumen output and sharp Full HD 1080p resolution, making it an excellent choice for home theater enthusiasts. Its color accuracy, supported by the RYGCWB color wheel, delivers vibrant and lifelike visuals, while the 25,000:1 contrast ratio ensures deep blacks and bright whites for a dynamic viewing experience. This projector performs well in both ambient light and dark settings, though dimmer environments enhance its contrast. For gamers, the enhanced gaming mode is a highlight, offering a fast 16-millisecond response time and optimized settings for smooth gameplay with minimal lag. The game display mode also improves visibility in darker scenes. Setup is straightforward with manual zoom and vertical keystone correction, and its lightweight design makes it portable. While the built-in speaker is underwhelming, pairing it with external audio creates an immersive cinematic experience. At number 3, we have the Samsung Premier. The Premier delivers an impressive home theater experience with its 4K ultra-short throw laser technology, projecting up to a 120-inch screen from just inches away. Its single laser system provides sharp and vibrant images, particularly in dimly lit environments, while covering 83% of the DCI-P3 color gamut for rich color accuracy. With a brightness of 2200 lumens, it performs well in moderately lit rooms, though darker settings enhance its cinematic quality. The built-in 30-watt 2.2-channel speakers offer surprisingly robust sound, eliminating the immediate need for external audio systems. The projector includes Samsung's Tizen OS for seamless access to streaming apps and smart features like Alexa and Bixby voice assistants. Filmmaker mode ensures movies are displayed as intended by directors, enhancing the cinematic feel. Its laser light source boasts a lifespan of 20,000 hours, making it durable and low maintenance. Easy setup and digital keystone correction further solidify its appeal as a premium home theater option. At number 2, we have the BenQ TK710STi. This is our runner-up pick and delivers stunning 4K ultra-high-definition resolution with pixel-shifting technology, producing sharp, detailed images that are perfect for home theater enthusiasts. Its laser light source ensures consistent brightness and vivid colors, covering 95% of the Rec. 709 color spectrum for natural and lifelike visuals. With a brightness of 3200 ANSI lumens, it excels in both dark and moderately lit rooms, making it versatile for various lighting conditions. This short-throw projector can create a 100-inch image from just 1.5 meters away, ideal for compact spaces. Gamers will appreciate its ultra-low input lag of just 4 milliseconds at 1080p and 16 milliseconds at 4K, ensuring responsive gameplay. HDR10 support enhances contrast and dynamic range, while preset modes like cinema and gaming optimize performance for specific content. The TK710STi's long-lasting laser engine also eliminates frequent lamp replacements, making it a reliable choice for immersive entertainment. At number 1, we have the Epson LS11000. This is the best home theater projector you can get when comparing it on price to performance and delivers exceptional picture quality, making it an excellent choice for home theater enthusiasts. Its 4K Pro Ultra HD technology, combined with advanced pixel shifting and a precision glass shift plate, creates a sharp and detailed 4K image with 8.3 million pixels on screen. The projector excels in color reproduction, offering vibrant and accurate colors thanks to its 3 LCD technology, which ensures equal white and color brightness. With a laser light source rated for over 20,000 hours of use, it provides consistent performance without the need for lamp replacements. The LS11000 is also a standout for HDR content, supporting HDR10, HDR10+, and HLG formats. Its dynamic contrast ratio exceeds 1.2 million to 1 when laser dimming is enabled, delivering deep blacks and vivid highlights. The ZX picture processor enhances real-time color and contrast adjustments, ensuring optimal image quality across various content types. For gamers, the projector supports 4K at 120 frames per second through HDMI 2.1 inputs and boasts input lag times below 20 milliseconds, offering smooth gameplay experiences. This projector's performance is further enhanced by features like powered lens shift and focus for flexible installation. Its ability to upscale lower-resolution content effectively ensures excellent visuals even with non-4K sources. The LS11000 truly transforms any space into a high-quality home theater experience. So that sums up my top 5 home theater projectors I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.